When it comes to grip strength, no one wants to struggle like this or look like this. Little did you know, if you're not training your grip strength, you are missing out on a huge part of your health that you must be addressing. Grip strength has been proven to be a biomarker of health, and studies have shown that grip strength can be predictive of future disability, cardiovascular health, mortality rate, and physical function. Not only will having a stronger grip improve your quality of life, but it will also allow you to have no physical limitations when it comes to holding or carrying heavy objects throughout your lifetime. So let's get started on what you can do now to improve your forearm strength. Before going into each method, it's important for you to understand the proper technique of how to grasp an object firmly. You can use a broomstick to learn. Practice making a fist around the object and wrap your thumb over the top of your index and middle finger firmly. Then think about digging your ring and pinky finger into your palm to create maximal tension in your hand. You will be able to utilize this technique for all other methods I teach you in this video. The easiest way we can begin building a foundation on grip strength is by working on the first method, which is loaded carries. This can include both suitcase carries with objects in one hand and farmer carries with objects in two hands. If you have access to free weights, using kettlebells or dumbbells are my favorite way to do this. If you don't, the most cost-effective way to practice this is by using bags around your home, such as grocery bags, and placing objects inside the bags to add more weight. You can practice static holds where you are not moving for 30 to 60 seconds at a time, and also dynamic holds where you are walking with the weight. The next method we will use to build strength in our forearms is hanging. If you've never hung from a bar before, don't worry. You can start by allowing your feet to support you on a plate or a box in the beginning, and then over time, as you get comfortable, you can hang without any feet assistance. Start off with two hand holds, and as you improve, you can progress to mixed grip holds and then eventually single hand holds. You can do this for 2 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 seconds to begin with and progress to 60-second holds at a time. The last method I will teach you on how to build a bulletproof grip is by simply incorporating free weight training. Free weights like dumbbells and barbells are effective equipment that many people use to build strength. These tools are commonly found in large gyms like 24 Hour Fitness or Planet Fitness and are used to add weight to any exercise you perform. You can perform compound movements like deadlifts, kettlebell swings, squats, and cleans. Over time, you will begin to realize which movements tend to tax your grip faster than others. Implementing these strategies on a weekly basis will not only help you build a strong grip, but will allow you to develop overall upper body strength, further increasing your health and fitness. Please like and subscribe if you found this video informative, and comment below on which of these methods you're going to try.